Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to tell you that if you use any music from one video editor, will YouTube or other platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, or any other video platform give you a copyright strike or not? In today's video, I will give you complete details about this. First of all, let me open my one video editor application here. Let me tell you here that all such applications, like this one video editor, or others like CapCut and InShot, are similar. Apart from these, all the other applications as well. Their music or video clips are copyright free. You can easily use them in your YouTube videos, whether they are video clips, video effects, or images. You can use them all. So, that was today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon.